Good morning all and welcome you once again in the class of marketing management. So today I am going to deal with one of the important topic of marketing, that is marketing mix. As you know, when you are going to promote any products, goods and services in the market, the main elements of marketing should be involved in it. It's also the four main elements of marketing mix is 4Ps. 4Ps. So first P is, we can say, is product. Second P is known as price, and third P is known as promotion, and fourth P is known as place. So with all these 4Ps, integrating it all together to form a marketing mix. Here the mix is reflected with the mixture of these 4Ps. This helps us to drive and to enhance the sales in the market. So we cannot ignore marketing mix to promote our product and to scale up our product in the market. So how this marketing mix is going to help when we are talking in the term of product? When we are talking in the term of product, yes, product should have quality in it. The product should have a proper design and also proper information on the product. Yes, brand should be clearly visible and should click in the mind of the customers. Brand availability, yes, it should not be a situation that consumer has gone to the market and the product is not available. So availability is one of the important concept for the marketing mix which comes under the product. Yes, services. Yes, what features and what benefits does a product is delivering for the end user. Apart from this, a product, next for P, second P is price. So apart from this, a product should have a price on it. If you have purchased any product in the market, so on the back side or downside of the product, MRP has been mentioned. So you should also have a proper pricing strategy, whether your product comes under the premium category or discounted. Even though you have to also mention what is the payment method to purchase that product and what is the period, within which period you can purchase in the case of credit issue. So this should be mentioned in the price. Next we are moving ahead with the next P, that is the third P, promotion. The promotion always enhance the sale but not directly, indirectly. But no doubt we can't say that without promotions the brand can be recalled in the mind of consumer. So advertisement also plays an important role in the today's scenario. Advertisement, you have seen that print media is there, air media is there. Okay, so with the help of different mode of advertisement, we can establish our brand promotions. Sales promotions, here we can say that direct door-to-door sales promotion is there. With the help of sales promotion in the store, we can promote our product to the end users by using sampling method, etc. Social media, yes, in today's scenario, in today's world, you can say that social media plays an important role to enhance the awareness of the product among the consumers. So we can't ignore social media promotions in today's scenario. Sponsorship, yes. The new entrepreneur who have launched new product to the market, they always having a shortage of fund. So what they used to do, they always used to sponsor their product, or they also look for the promoters to promote their product with the help of sponsorship. So these are the different modes of promotions which help to increase the indirect sale of the product. Again, the last topic is place. Place. Yes, this is one of the important P among the four, because where your product is going to be available in the market, at what time, at what business model you are going to place your product in the market. Those availability of the product in the market with the different mode of business format is known as channel. So different mode here we can say we are having a modern trade, traditional trade, options, channels we are having. So it also plays an important role that how you are going to make your product reach to that stores so that end user can purchase. So transportation is one of the important factors placed under the place factor. Locations, yes, your product should be placed in a right location in your store so that can be catchy and may be picked by the consumer. So location also plays an important role. Yes, inventory. Suppose you have gone to the market, consumer has gone to the market and they have found that particular item is not on the shelf. So you have to check out on a regular basis that particular inventory, goods or services are there on the shop shelf or not. Logistics, yes, whether the facilities to give those products to the end users, like display is there, proper display is there or not, trolley is there or not, cart is there or not, basket is not there. These are the kind of logistics and facilities to be provided to the end user. So guys, today we have studied about the marketing mix, which having 4 important P's: product, price, promotion and place, which is going to enhance your knowledge in the term of marketing. Thank you once again.